Page 134, the Physical Regions of Canada. In almost every part of Canada, the landscape is spectacular. The country has rugged mountains, dense forests, rolling hills, beautiful frozen lands, and much more. At least 1 million rivers and lakes lie within Canada. Hudson Bay, a huge arm of the Atlantic Ocean, is located in the northeast. The Mackenzie River, Canada's longest river, is in the northwest. This rich and varied land can be divided into 7 physical regions. The largest is the Canadian Shield, a huge rocky region. The Shield curves around Hudson Bay like a giant horseshoe. It covers about 1.8 million square miles, about 4.6 million square kilometers, or almost half the country's land area. During the last ice age, glaciers covered the Canadian Shield. When the ice masses melted, they left behind a wilderness of rocks, lakes, and swamps with very little soil. Because of the lack of soil, few people live in this region. Instead, most Canadians live in the lowlands to the south. One Canadian author wrote, "The shield and the wilderness bear down on us, a crushing weight, squeezing us like toothpaste along the border of your country, the United States." Southeast of the Canadian Shield is the St. Lawrence Lowlands region. This is Canada's smallest region, but it has more industries and more people than any other region. This lowland area features the country's best farmland and a major waterway, the St. Lawrence Seaway. East of the Shield and the St. Lawrence Lowlands is the Appalachian region. This region of fertile valleys and low mountains is rich in forests, mineral resources, and fish. Sandy beaches line its coast. Along the coast, several underwater mountains rise above sea level to form large islands. One of these is Prince Edward Island. West of the Shield is the Interior Plains region. The southern part of the Interior Plains is dotted with prairies and farms. A prairie is a large area of flat land covered by grasses and wildflowers, but few trees. Wheat and other crops grow well in the fertile soil there. In contrast, the northern part of the Interior Plains has poor soil and is too cold for farming. Forests cover the land in the north. The Western Mountains region lies west of the Interior Plains and extends to the Pacific Ocean. In addition to its high mountains, this region is known for its forests, mineral resources, rivers, and wildlife. Stretching across the southern shore of Hudson Bay is the Hudson Bay Lowlands region. For the most part, this region is made up of swamps. In Canada's far north is the Arctic Islands region. It is too cold here for trees to grow. The land is mainly tundra, a large flat plain of frozen land. This region is made up of 12 large islands and hundreds of small ones. The islands have many glaciers, mountains, and deep fjords. A fjord is a small, narrow inlet of the sea between steep cliffs.